We are back again. Thinking of taking this trade. Okay, are we gonna make lows again? You gonna test these lows again, or is this the reversal? Oh, hey, Rowan. Nope, no trades today. No, we have just it's been kind of a weird day, to be honest. Hey, Lane, thanks for checking in. Just want to say that you don't make as much money as many other guys doing this, but the way you're doing it is okay. Hey, well, I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, I'm definitely not making a lot, honestly. Yeah, but yeah, my plan all along was I'm gonna take it slow, and if this takes me 3 months to get to profit threshold, I'm okay with it. I have the lifetime fees for a reason, and I'm gonna take my good old time. I'm in no rush. But I appreciate it. But yeah, it's kind of sometimes I look around and I see other people that, they trade one mini contract or two mini contracts and they get, they get their account to a profit threshold in 1 week. And I'm like, ooh, man, that would be nice. But then I remind myself to be patient. It's hard to do actually in this industry and with YouTube. And, I think naturally human instinct is that we compare ourselves with others. But that's also can be very dangerous comparing ourselves among others. And when I do that, I just need to stay grounded and stay humble and like, hey, just need to follow my plan, not anyone else's. Sometimes easier said than done. Yeah, don't count others' money. That's a good quote. Exactly. Man, I'm still thinking about Ryan from this morning. Oh man. That was pretty awesome that he stopped by. Man, this price action, it seems like it wants to dip, but it's getting bought up really quickly. Kind of making me get a little bit antsy on a short here. Or antsy on a long, I should say. Today's a day where you can just get chopped up. I mean, this play, of course, so far, all the moves today, like no lie, every move that has happened today, I have either been at lunch or just now when the big move down happened, I was on a conference call. Feels bad. But then I just have to remind myself not to have FOMO. It does, yeah, this feels like we're going higher. Who knows? Right now, I'm not. Right now, I'm not focused enough. If I'm being honest, trying to get work done. I just got off a big conference call. Oh man, my mind is still reeling. We have a potential opportunity for a huge client. So I'm just gonna watch the market, watch it play out. I'm not gonna enter any trades for now. Man, just when you think, okay, this market's gonna break up, boom, doesn't. It comes back down. uh yeah, go for small targets. Yeah, I agree. Well, here is the push up. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Two to four, yeah, 10 points. Yep. Oh man, this is now. We've tried to sell off a couple times here, and we've failed. Just makes me nervous to try it. Oh man, I maybe need to go make some more coffee. I need to get my head in the game. Oh man, kind of started this trend. Oh, there we go. Oh, man. I need to take this call. All right, we're back. All right, are we going to keep this low here? 41.69. Oh, man, I got to say, I don't really feel like I'm on. Feel a little scatterbrained right now. Wow, what a push. What a bounce. Wow, what is going on here? Some crazy price action. Sell the rallies all week. I mean, right now you'd be doing pretty well if you did that. You'd be doing not too bad. What's going on? What are we doing here? Are we gonna lose it? What are we looking at on the hourly? Right now, 41.64, 41.65 is going to be some support. There we go, 41.64. Is that going to hold? Might see it rip down below a little bit, but hey, Matterman. Yeah, we're just in this downtrend right now. Basically, jeez. thing doesn't want to listen. Whatever. There we go. Not, yeah, it's just, wow, there was a sell order, a huge one. Oh, man. Love to be on this train. I should have just pulled the trigger in hindsight, obviously. Oh, man. Not going to chase it now. How's gold looking? Gold's got to be ripping. Well, not as much as I think. NQ selling off. We're at 4150s. Now 4150 is kind of the target. Gotta be. But right now, man, my mind space is not, I'm not with it. I'm not with the program right now. I shouldn't even be trading. But man, this is looking very, very sellish. That's a word even. Looking very, very sell-off-ish. What's the daily look like? Yeah, 4150. It's definitely going to be, we might, I don't know, we might come down and test 4120 today. The way this is going. Starting to think of just getting in on the short, just entering on a short, and I don't want to do that though. That's chasing, and I want to wait for a little bit of a pullback, but just not even getting a pullback to enter on. Just not seeing it. All right, here's the push up, but we could see another one of these moves. We had an overextension here on this channel. Kind of expecting an overcorrection here up into this range. So now I'm trapped between two different, enter on a pullback, but then you get trapped and it corrects and pulls back even more. You enter here on a long to try and catch a V-shaped reversal, and it's going to keep going down. Then you're trapped. I'm just going to sit on my hands. Feels bad. Feel like I'm missing most of the move. It's better to miss a move than FOMO and lose money. Took a nice nap, and then the market took a nice dump. Yeah, no, I'm not feeling the market today. I am not feeling it. Oh, my mind is not quite with it. I just got off my conference call, and it was a pretty big conference call. And now I'm having a hard time focusing. I should probably just stop. I did end the stream because I had that conference call. And now I just started it up again. But it's almost wish I wouldn't even have started up my stream again. Now I feel like I need to be in it. Like I feel like I just missed that move. Oh, having some FOMO. So right here, I wasn't sharing this out loud, but right here, this channel, when it broke this channel, I should have entered on a short. I should have pulled the trigger. And I wasn't quite with it yet. So I didn't. I just got back and I just wasn't mentally ready to take a trade yet. And then we made this nice move. Now I'm kind of looking for a pullback to enter again on a short, but here we are. I don't know what I'm going to do. Thing is, like today, a day like today when we just dump, I love days like today. Like right here, just entering on a short and hoping and hoping we make new lows is really the plan, or it's the going with the trend. But every time we've kind of made an we've sold off, like right here, we've pulled back pretty significantly. It wasn't just a minor pullback. It was a pretty major pullback to the top of this channel, and then we've sold off. I think too much. Yeah, I probably do. I probably do. Try and think of all the different scenarios that, try always and think from both sides of it. So I kind of try and think what someone would think if they were trying to get long and what would they think if they were trying to get short. Maybe that's thinking too much. Could be. Now we're but right here, this little sell off, that was a bear trap. 100%. People getting ready for lower lows. If we make it up to the top of this channel and we start, I definitely want to be in on that. I mean, you could justify buying right here as well, like at 41.62. But in this downtrend, not really that interested in a buying. Just go for it. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of, yeah. I kind of like thinking about, all right, I'm not, yeah, there's definitely a point where you overthink things, but I don't really like the thought of just entering on a trade without thinking it through first, for me anyway. But there's a fine line. All right, is this going to be the leg down? This has me a little more interested right here. Hey, Marius. Marius Cornea. No, I did not, Marius. Nope, I did not. Still, that's my goal here. Why I chose to go with it was a personal goal of mine that I wanted to do. All that's what I wanted to do. Here we are. I mean, yeah, that's you can definitely do that, Marius. That's just not what I wanted to do. That is definitely not a bad idea. You know what? I need to end the stream, stop trading. Not that I have traded today, but there's some other things I need to take care of, other things that are on my mind. And I'm having a hard time focusing. So I don't want to trade while I'm in that state of mind right now. So yeah, I'm going to end it. Do my sum report sometime tonight, and then hopefully also my plan is to upload the video of the top 10 Apex traders for tonight as well. So hey, awesome Apex. I feel like I missed on this move. I just came back and I just missed, totally just didn't pull the trigger. Not in the right frame of mind. I was still kind of wrapped up with my conference call, and now I have a little bit of FOMO, and I'm just not sharp right now, so I'm not going to try and force a trade just so I have a trade today. So before I do something stupid, I'm going to end the stream and call it. So Motivate Nation, how to set up multiple accounts. It's pretty simple. You only need one Rhythmic account set up with Apex, and then you basically just buy more accounts through Apex, and there you go. All your accounts will show up on right here. All right, you can see at the top here, all your different accounts will show up right there. So anyway, hey, thanks for tuning in. It's kind of a, I don't know, so-so day, I guess. Oh, for TradeZella. Here, I can show you that. Just give me a second. Before we leave, I can show you that. Okay, so the way to do multiple accounts on TradeZella is right here. Go to Manage Accounts. And then right here under Accounts, you can just say, hang on, right here, New Account. Do new account. You can name that account whatever you want, what broker you used, what you can make it a different color, and then just hit the checkbox, and that's all you need. Then you got a separate account for TradeZella. Hopefully that makes sense. Apex. Yeah, that's definitely not a bad idea. Yeah, I might focus a little bit more on actually using my lines and stuff. I've kind of steered away from it for different reasons, but it's definitely not a bad idea. No problem. All right, everyone, I'm going to call it. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry for the very, very short stream this afternoon, but we will see you, everyone, tomorrow morning. Everyone have a great evening. Take care.